We always call her Lag Along. Little Miss Lagness. She's so cute. So we are in a new spot today. I've never been here. Agnes has never been here, and she's having a bit of a hard time because I think I've mentioned this before, but she is going blind and she's unfamiliar with this place, and it has some weird trails, I guess is the way of putting it. So she's either right on the back of my heels or she's in the back sniffing something, and I'm really trying to get her attention to come. But it's a beautiful day out. It is the middle of December. Hi, Ma. You're so cute. And we're going to enjoy the sunshine. See how she navigates this. Oh, pretty good. Go ahead, turn around. Go ahead. Come on, Ag. Let's go. You got it. Good girl. We're on an old estate in New York, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know I have an obsession with stone walls. And a lot of times when we come out into the woods, you'll see the foundation of an old house or a pump house or a well house or an old barn or something. But here is what I found today. Guess she's feeling confident because she's now taken the lead. She keeps walking into stuff, but apparently she feels confident, so I'm going to let her go. Oh, double peepees. Oh, ferocious.
Good girl.
It has been very uneventful today in the mushroom hunting department, which I kind of expected. It's been dry, but we got out on a new path. We all got some fresh air. We wandered around in the woods, and we're happy. Thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to check out Wildcraft Trading for our nature-inspired products, everything from apparel to mugs, coasters, home decor, journals. You need it, we got it. Check it out, wildcrafttrading.com. Thanks, guys. See you next week.